Hey guys, so here is some alpha. Although crypto is not that pumping that much, there are still many opportunities, free airdrops, free mints. And here I want to talk about this, which is Soneium. This is basically powered by Sony, the Sony blockchain. And it is not that popular right now. You can see only 180,000 followers. Not many people are talking about this, but here is a first opportunity. So introducing the Soneium OG badge. So it is really easy to get this badge, and I want to show you something something huge. So let's check the Soneium CEO or founder, Watanabe. I think that's his name. Yes, Soto Watanabe. So this is what he posted. Basically, this OG batch is a part of big plans. So OG batch something something. So there may be 2 airdrops, 2 opportunities if you get this OG badge. And how you can get it, it's really easy. So let's click on it. And all the links, by the way, are in the description. So you basically do 45 transactions on Soneium until February 27th. So basically in 23 days, this will close and you will get a Soulbound badge, which means that you will get a Soulbound NFT. Soulbound means that you cannot sell or transfer this NFT. So that's quite huge. And how you can get 45 transactions is really easy. You just do swaps or bridge or add liquidity. And for example, here you can see this is my Soneium account, and you can see I have how many transactions, 29. So I need more, around 16 transactions, so I will qualify for this NFT. And how you can get these transactions, for example, go to Sonify. This is one of the websites that I'm using, applications on Soneium. And what you can do here, you can basically create meme coins, swap coins, do perpetuals, basically. Yes, I'm not really into perpetuals, but you can do them. You can add liquidity to pools. You can add to farms, basically create, basically earn yield by providing some liquidity. Here are points. You will also get points for this airdrop, which is Sonify. So you are killing many birds with one rock by doing transactions on this platform. You will earn points. You can again launch tokens, launch meme coins, which will probably cost you a few cents. There are many more opportunities, and for example, how you can find more ways to do transactions is go on Soneium official X account. Here you will see, for example, many of these basically applications that are built on Soneium or integrated with Soneium, like this one. So you will go on this application, you will go to Soneium network, and you will do some transactions. Here you can see, you just scroll down, there are so many apps being built on Soneium, and that's basically how you can qualify for your transactions. And you can also find these like this one, Sonify, where you can earn this particular application airdrop. So there are many ways that you can qualify. Another free mint airdrop is this. So basically, this Soneium intern is one of the best account that you should follow if you want to get the latest alpha and be early. And you can see only 447 followers, which is crazy. And why you should follow, because here 40 minutes ago he basically posted this: go mint Sake Finance OG collection Sake Shogun NFT, and there is only 1.5 thousand supply available for sale, and the mint is free. So basically get this limited edition NFT for free. I think this is liquidity provider or something, DeFi protocol, native liquidity protocol on Soneium, cross chain. And so basically what you want to do is here, drops. You go on this link, and here you will basically have this this NFT available to mint. You will have to log in and just buy. And if you don't have your funds on, if you have zero Ethereum on Soneium network, because Soneium is using Ethereum similar like Ethereum has a gas fees that is basically paying you. I mean, you will have to spend Ethereum for gas fees. How you can send Ethereum to Soneium is here. Go on relay.link and, for example, use some chain that you have some funds. For example, I have some from BNB. I can send Soneium. If you have some Ethereum on Arbitrum, for example, here you can see you basically send from Arbitrum to Soneium. You can send like $10 or $20, and it will be enough to do these little transactions. And you want some basically for gas fees, so you can mint this. And this is basically urgent. There are only 1.5 thousand left. But looking at the fact that these projects are not that popular, not that huge, I think these will not be minted out, even if you're watching right now. So that's basically it. These are two quick opportunities. I mean, the first one is not that quick because you have like 26 days to earn the Soneium badge. And again, Sota Watanabe, the CEO of co-building Soneium, is basically begging you to get this badge. And again, 45 transactions is really easy. You can do these for under $5. So get this opportunity, take this opportunity, don't be late, do everything ASAP, especially this NFT. I still don't know what this will give you, but looking at the fact that this intern, where is he? He basically said that utility not revealed yet, but as you know, intern always knows faster. So this most likely is some legit maybe founders alt account or something that is huge, that is basically legit in the team. So he's giving you alpha. Follow this profile. I am following myself, and just scroll. You will see many opportunities. By the way, no one is talking about this on Twitter or on X or on YouTube. That's why I'm the first one. And if you want to get these opportunities earlier, I already posted this on Patreon. So if there are some mints that are really urgent, you want to be fast, so you can follow me on my Patreon. Only $10 a month, but you get everything as I find it on Instagram, or on Twitter, on X. I am posting literally in a few seconds on my Patreon, so I give as much value as I can. And on YouTube, you have to wait for at least 1 hour until I edit, render, upload, export. That's why, again, if you want to get all the early alpha much earlier than on YouTube, follow me on Patreon. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.